What's going on, guys? So I bought this DeWalt 20 volt 12-inch chainsaw today, DCCS621B. It's the second model they made that it's supposed to not leak from here, but I got this big ass tree. I didn't realize how big it was until I got here, but we're gonna try this little thing out. It works surprisingly well. I've been messing around with it for a little bit, and it says to run it off a 5 amp hour battery, but I've got a 4 amp in there right now, so I figured I'd just take a little video of testing it out, letting you guys know what I think. So, alright. So as you can see, it took a while. Also, I don't know jack shit about cutting trees, but that's a pretty good sized little chunk, and it got through it.